Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you another set of craft, and this craft is similar to the storage box I made in my previous video. So this time it's like with a twist. So this craft can be used in two ways. First, for decoration, especially the table decoration, especially for birthdays. We especially try to go for themed party these days, and for a themed party it's difficult to get that decoration to cover the table, because tablecloth on the table just doesn't justify your theme. So always you should go for something which matches your theme. So as my theme was transportation, so I wanted to make something to cover that center table, and I came up with an idea of Choo Choo Train. So I made a Choo Choo Train with the help of cardboard, and I just, as you can see in the picture, I just covered the table, and later that I had put a lot of effort on that piece, and I did not want that to go on waste. So I reused the same decoration for making a storage box for keeping toys, and I have reused it. So I'll keep watching my video, and I'll show you how I have utilized the toy storage box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss the craft ideas which I bring to you. Thank you. For making this, you will require full-size cardboard, a cardboard cutter, scissor, pencil and colored chart paper. We need to cut the carton from one end and then spread it out on the floor. Make sure that we don't cut any flap of the carton box. Now start pasting the colored paper on top of it. I have used 3 different colors for 3 different carriages for my train. Once you are done with pasting these 3 color sheets for our different carriages of train, we will now take brown color chart paper and make the ground for the train. So you can just paste it using some adhesive, or you can just staple it together. For making the railway track, we am using black strips, and I'll be pasting one at the bottom, and the others I'll be just pasting it in a slant manner to give it a realistic look. For wheels, I'm taking the circular cutout of white sheet and black sheet. A combination of black and white always makes your wheels look very beautiful. I always use 2 different shades to give it a beautiful look. Once the circles are cut out, you can paste them together to make the wheels of the carriage. As the basic train structure is ready, now it's time to make our engine. For engine, I have already drawn the structure on my sheet, and then I will be cutting out that cardboard to give it a shape of engine. Now, with the help of colorful chart paper, I'm just trying to cover my engine. And for making the engine, I have used a combination of blue chart paper, yellow and red because I wanted my engine to be in sync with my carriage. The most important point to notice here is I have kept the flap of the top as is so that I'll be using the same flap to rest it on the table. As you can see, the basic structure of train was ready. I have added pieces of white to give the look of window. Now it's time to place our decoration on table. You can place it on table and then cover it up with a nice sheet and your decoration will be ready for the party. For converting it into a toy storage box, you need to place this decoration back on the floor and then cut the joint from the bottom and then fold it back into a carton shaped box. You can then staple the bottom and you can also paste it by using a sellotape and make the base strong. Once the box is ready, we can then place toys inside it. And here we go, our toy storage box is ready to keep all the toys inside it, and we have reused our decoration. So wasn't it a brilliant idea for the decoration and storage? I hope you liked my craft, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't. Keep crafting, keep watching, and I'll get back with another set of craft for you. Thank you. Bye bye.